Fall is here with its beautiful colors. I enjoy our garden in the fall. We have a wonderful maple tree at the back of our garden, and its colorful leaves delight us with annual show of vibrant reds, oranges and yellows. This fall is exceptionally beautiful. We didn't have rain for some time, and I am delaying raking all the leaves and putting them into the compost bags. I love to see those leaves doing their dance in the crisp air. Sky is clear and blue. Sun is getting low. My house stays with blooms all year round, thanks to the flowers which I painted around our windows. I strongly believe that all sorts of garden decorations should be acquired in the garden and returned back to the garden. I love to use leaves and wood. Leaves for their strong vibrancy and abundant numbers. Wood for its strength and beautiful colors. Pretty soon, life will be moving into the house. November will bring long, rainy days, and nothing is more pleasant than a cozy house and a fireplace on a cold and dark day. But for now, let there be color and autumn joy and pumpkin pies and cookies and wonderful family time. Have a lovely autumn day, everyone.